this is an opportunity for us to get together, have some chit chat, have some fun together. The key thing here is to participation. That's more important rather than focus on winning.
We look them as inspiration because they are our local heroes back then in the 90s or even 80s. What we want is to just play well, enjoy our game, and just give 100% our hype for Singapore when we play this December.
Leading up to the Para Games, you will see a lot of activity for the para athletes to go out into the community. You will see road shows for Singaporeans to try out para sports. We will have more events like this, which will help to explain what para sports is about.
Simply take a picture anytime, anywhere with your right hand across your left shoulder, and if you hashtag #BackUpAPG 2015 and tag APG_2015, NTUC will donate $10, and after which Community Chest will match another $10.
Back up APG.
Back up APG. Thank you.